Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long minute since I have done a video for you, but today I wanted to hop on and share something with you that I received in return for an honest review from me. I didn't pay for these, but I did say I would give them an honest review, so that is why we're here today. These are the Youluck cluster lashes. It's an entire kit. It comes with a lash seal, lash bond, lash remover, along with the tweezers and all the different lengths of clusters. So I did use these already. I wanted to give them a try before I wanted to see how they wore before I actually did a review on them. I wanted to see how everything worked out. They're beautiful lashes. These ones are the Enchantress lashes. They're long, fluffy, beautiful lashes. But I did try doing the cat eye look, and from previous videos I have said I don't like the cat eye look on myself. So today when I apply them, I'm just going to do one solid length to just show you what they look like, how the glue works, and all that fun stuff. I'll show you what the remover looks like, what the tweezers look like, and everything else. So we will get started right now. This is the bond and seal. One side is the bond. So the bond looks like this. It is a curved wand, so it kind of makes it easier when you're trying to get in all the little cracks and crevices of your eyelashes, in the corners, whatever it may be. This is the seal. If anybody's done these lashes before and used seal, it's along the same lines as all other seals. It's just a brush that you go over your lashes with. Then this is the remover. It does work very well. I used it to remove the lashes that I had on. So this is just like it's kind of just like a regular spoolie, I guess you could say. It has a little bit of like comb-like things on it, and it's just an oil that you put on your lashes and it'll make it easier to remove. This glue is very tacky, so you do need the remover for that. You don't want to rip your lashes out, because I think that would happen if you tried to remove them. They also came with tweezers. These are really nice tweezers. They're pointy and they get in there really well to get so you can grip onto the lashes. So first thing I'm going to do, obviously, is I'm going to choose the size that I want to do. I'm typically a 14mm girl because that's what I feel fits best on my eyes. I might do a 12 today for a more natural look, just to give it a try. I haven't done a 12 in a long time. So I'm going to do 12s and we'll get right into it. So we're going to take the bond side of the wand. And so the directions say to first curl your lashes with an eyelash curler. So I'm going to do that real quick. Just want to give them a quick curl so then the lashes kind of flow together. Step 2 says apply a thin layer of the glue and wait 15 seconds for the glue to start drying, so it's a little tacky. But what I typically do first is I will remove how many lashes I need so they're ready to go. So I just remove them and I put them off to the side. Lately, I've been doing more mascara than I have been wearing false lashes, but they approached me to do a review on these and I couldn't say no because they are beautiful lashes. They're fluffy and I actually wanted to give them a try. From what I saw online, I had like researched them a little bit before I agreed to doing it because I don't want to really, but these ones I'm really impressed with. I really like the entire kit. The last time I had gotten a free product from somebody, I didn't like their glue. Their glue just wasn't good. This one is good. I got 4-5 days out of it, so I mean that's pretty good. So this one is a very tacky glue. It's a little different than my usual one, but that's okay. So yeah, I do one eye at a time. Typically I would do 2 eyes at a time, like do both of them with that one because I usually use Lash Fly glue with the two different kind of glues. So I would do all the black, and then when it came time to applying the lashes, I would do the other glue, but this one only comes with one. So this one glue, you want to move quick with it. You don't want to take your good old sweet time with it because you don't want it to dry too much either. So you're just literally going to apply it like you were to apply a mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I love the curve to the wand. It makes it easy to get in there and get all the lashes. Get right in the corner right there. Not worry about getting it all over the place. So you give it a few seconds to dry a little bit. Try not to blink too much because they do typically stick to the bottom lashes. I'm having that occur right now. And then you're just going to hop right into putting them on. I may need to bring my mirror a little closer so I can see. You're just going to, you're not going to go close to the waterline, but you're not going to go right on the waterline. You don't want to like pick your eyes. That will happen if you go too close. It'll be very uncomfortable. You want to, and a trick is like kind of blink after you put it on to see before you really seal it. That's what I typically do, so I can see if I need to pull it off and put it somewhere else, or like pull it off and put it a little further. So that's 2. I usually use about 5 per eye. And it's kind of easier if you have the mirror down below, so then like you're kind of like above the mirror and you can look down at it. Number 4. I actually might need 6. It's maybe a little smaller than what I'm usually used to because usually I only need 5 clusters for my eye, but we'll see. I'll put number 5 on and see how I feel. They're typically pretty fast, and what I like about lash clusters is if you're like me and you one day feel like having fake lashes and then a few days later you don't feel like it anymore, you can take them off and just wear mascara. That's what I like about it. I am going to use one more cluster because I feel like I'm a little on the sparse side right in the corner. And when I put them on, like I said, I push them up, kind of wiggle it so it stays. Careful near your eye with these pointy tweezers. You don't want to poke yourself in the eye. And that's it. So now I'm going to kind of like wipe the glue off because if you have any glue on it, they'll stay stuck to the, and then you'll end up ripping the lashes off. So then all I do is I take the edge and I slide it above. And I just press right at the base of the lash. Again. And one more time. See how it kind of stuck to the, and that is lashes on one eye. I will do it in fast forward for the second eye, and then I will come right back to talking to you. Okay, so now I'm back with my other eye done. I think these are absolutely beautiful lashes. I am actually blown away with how the quality of them are. I typically buy my lashes on Amazon. This one you can buy directly on their website. I will put that down below, their website. They're going to be having a sale coming up for Valentine's Day, and then along with free shipping for US customers. So that's awesome too. I also got a code for you guys for another 10% off of the lashes or the lash kits or whatever it is that you end up looking at buying, whatever. That will be down below too. It's just Brittany Gerard, and you will get 10% off plus free shipping and all that fun stuff for the Valentine's Day sale. Typically I would run a spoolie through my lashes, but I forgot to bring it in my recording room. So I will do that after. Oh, I wanted to bond them. I seal them. Now I'm going to seal them. So now they're on. They're in place. Nice and stuck. They are very tacky, and this kind of helps with the tackiness. So I typically just run it underneath a little bit to get the glue feeling out from there. And then they say to run it just on the top. So you can just run it on the top. Kind of seals everything up. And it should help with the stickiness and everything else. So again, I got, I think, 4 to 5 days out of my wear the last time. I'm going to see if I can get more out of it this time. But when I am ready to take them off, I don't just pull them off, because I've done that in the past and I've created bald spots in my eyelashes, and you don't want that. The whole point of these is because they're easier on the eyelashes, healthier for your eyelashes. The convenience of just doing these at your own at home is so much better than making appointments. I'm not an appointment girl. I hate going to appointments. Saves you money. So definitely check out the website. Everything is linked down below for you, so you don't have to struggle with any of that. The brand is Youluck. And yeah, I highly suggest you take a look at it. I love them. I love the look of them. I feel like these are very natural looking. I'm actually enjoying the 12mm. I feel like it just gives you more of a natural lash look, like you're wearing mascara instead of looking so bold, but do whatever you like. These ones come, the lengths are from 10 to 18mm. So, I mean, you have so many to choose from. You can do whatever length you like to do. I typically do like a 14, but now I'm kind of liking the 12, so maybe that'll be my new length. I'm not sure. We'll see. Every day is different. But I can try and show you up close to like the fluffiness of them. They're just very, very pretty lashes. Very pretty. So yeah, just give them a look up on their website. Check out their sale. Free shipping. Great for Valentine's Day. Great for date night. Great for everyday use. I highly suggest you take a look. And I thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you again. See you guys.